Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2004 Acura TSX 6-speed. This one's black. Under the hood is a 2.4 VTEC 4-cylinder pushing out 200 horsepower. For wheels, we've got 17-inch wheels. Tires are in good condition. Black leather interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our TSX badging. Got power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. Let's go ahead and start it up. Again, this is a 6-speed manual. We have heated seats, dual climate controls, radio. This vehicle has 148,862 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Acura, check out feldmanimports.com.